Koschel, your business tour guide. In our last episode, we continued our exploration of business registrations where we explored pay-as-you-go withholdings. So today, let's continue that exploration where we visit fuel tax credits. Now, fuel tax credits may not sound very exciting, but believe me, if your business is eligible for them, they are mind-blowingly cool. Now, I see many businesses that could be eligible for fuel tax credits and they don't even know what they are, they're not aware of them, and it really is money in your pocket if you are eligible for them. So what are fuel tax credits? So pretty much it's where you get a credit for the fuel tax, so that's excise and customs duty, that is included in the price of fuel that you pay in certain business activities. So those business activities include the operation of machinery in your business, plants and equipment, and heavy vehicles. So what's the main criteria I see that knocks out businesses from being eligible? And pretty much if the only fuel that you use in your business is in light vehicles, so that's vehicles that have a gross mass, vehicle mass of 4.5 tonnes or less, then you're not going to be eligible. But if you use heavy vehicles in your business, so that's more than the 4.5 tonnes, or the operation of machinery and plant equipment like I said, then you could be eligible. Now, many different types of fuel are covered, so liquid fuels, so petrol and diesel, but also gaseous fuels like liquid petroleum gas, LPG, are included. Now, there's different rates for the different types of fuel and there's eligible activities. It can get a little bit complicated, so you really need to see your accountant for some advice. Now, you do have to register for fuel tax credits, and in fact, you also have to be registered for GST to be eligible for them. And you claim those fuel tax credits on the same business activity statement that you report your GST to the tax office. So effectively, they actually reduce the amount of GST that you pay to the tax office. So how cool is that? It's extremely cool. Let's have a look at an example. Jim's Removalist operate 5 diesel trucks in their business. All the fuel Jim acquires for the trucks is used on travelling on public roads. So he acquires 10,000 litres of fuel to use in his trucks. Now, when you crunch the numbers and apply the applicable rates and all that sort of stuff, he gets a fuel tax credit of $1,200. So that's $1,200 in Jim's pocket, or it could be in your pocket, instead of in the tax office's pocket. So that is a win for the taxpayer. Now, there's been many changes to the fuel tax credit scheme over the years, and indeed, even more recently with the carbon charge and all that sort of stuff, there's been more changes. In fact, the fuel tax credit rates are going to continue to change annually until 30 June 2015, as the carbon charge amounts will be increasing up until then. So like I said, it can be a bit of a minefield, but totally worth it. So please seek professional advice, but really worth it if you're eligible to get some money back from the tax office. That's all we've got time for today, but please join me in our next episode where we'll be continuing our journey through business registrations. Until then, enjoy your business travels.